Hello everyone! Welcome to the Digital Lion channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to submit an application on Upwork, step by step. If you want to know how, subscribe on channel and watch tutorial to the end. If you haven't heard about Upwork, it's a platform where you can work as a freelancer. You can also hire freelancers. Let's start. First, you need to create an account if you have not. If you have an account, just type your email address or username, then type your password. This is what the Upwork website looks like. Click on Find Work to find our perfect job. In the search, enter the job that interests you and the job for which you have the necessary skills. I will search for video editing job. The payment method for this job is unverified, and I will now show you what it looks like. This is no detailed job description. Advise you to skip ads like this. I recommended that you apply for jobs that have verified the payment method. I have saved job ads and I will apply for one of these. You need to have available connects to apply for any job. To apply for this job, you need to have 2 connections. To buy connection, simply click on Buy Connections. You get 10 connections for $1.50. It's great that your connections are refunded if your client doesn't hire you. You can also use these connections for the next job application. When you are ready, click on Submit Proposal. My advice is to create a specialized profile, so as I have for video editing. When I apply for this job, I will have 39 connections left. Introduce yourself, your skills, and previous work experience in a letter. If you are interested in something about the job, you can ask the client here. Leave links to your portfolio so that the client can see an example of your work. You can send an example of your work directly by clicking on Upload Project Files. When you are done, click to Submit a proposal. That's it. We sent our job application. On the history, we can see how many people are applied for this job. When we click on the proposals, we can see which jobs we have applied for. We will return to the home page and click on the View Profile. My advice to you is to fill out your profile for a more successful job. You can create more specialized profiles. I have it for graphic design and for video editing. Show your works. Write something about yourself and your skills. Write down which languages you speak. Fill in the education field. Enter tags for your skills. Enter certificates if you have them. Fill out employment history. I wish you a successful employment. If you have any question, leave a comment. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you like it, subscribe on channel, click on bell and share with friends. See you in the next tutorial.